we got through security, no bother at all, dead quick. We'd already done the international bit the last time we came on Sunday, so we're just having a bit look around because we need some breakfast. Just looking for maybe some McDonald's or something. We can have a look this way and then we can have a look the other way. It's a very big airport. So the usual sort of shops you've got. Yep. Yeah, it was so quick because we had none of the immigration stuff to do. So yeah, this is Terminal 1. This is where we flew into as well, but we can't remember any of this because this is departures and we were arrivals. So we're gate D41. Just having a wee look in the gift shop before we go for some breakfast. One of the many gift shops. So the gift shop was a bit pricey to say the least. I've been to some airports over the years and this one's fairly big. So there's a place here, see what they're selling here. No Burger King or anything, but never mind. We shall have a look in here, shall we? Camden Food Company. See what they're selling. Look at all them departures, guys. That's incredible. And that's us. $12 Edmonton. Still looking for something to eat. I think there's something further up. What a big airport, as I've said many times. But yeah, feels like we're going back home, but we're not. It's weird. Well, anyways, I'll leave you all now and I'll take some pictures on the plane and things. We'll find something to eat in a moment.
Suivez l'avion, laissez vos bagages à bord et suivez l'éclairage au plancher jusqu'à l'issue la plus proche.
There are 4 exits located on each side of the aircraft. All of these are indicated by an exit sign. Please locate the one nearest.
Si vous avez une inquiétude ou besoin d'aide, adressez-vous à l'un de nous.
Thank you for choosing to fly with Air Canada.
Merci d'avoir choisi Air Canada.
Find intended sleep positions for takeoff, thank you.
happy days, just like home. almost down. Huh? I'm just saying we're back home. Oh, this weather. And we're down.